If you are trying to build your career, you're attending this workshop to hopefully to improve how you supervise, manage and lead, then it's a pretty critical point to understand that 93% of people don't naturally think like you, and that's your customers, your managers that you report to, managers in your team, and employees. It's really important to understand that, because you have to change how you play to influence them, because they're not going to play your way. The DISS model has, on the left-hand side here, think of a horizontal line at the halfway mark, and people above the line are fast-paced. They think fast-paced, and they're normally outspoken. The further they are closer to this point, it means if there's a break in the noise traffic, they will contribute. And as they work their way down from fast-paced and outspoken down to cautious and reflective, they will speak less, or they will be quieter, more reflective, more cautious about what they say, and they may contribute last. That's one part of this DISC model. The other part is if they picture a vertical line coming from 12 o'clock down to 6 o'clock, and on the left-hand side, we know that means they are cynical, skeptical, and questioning of everything. They assume everything won't work. Okay, that's their natural starting point. Lots of legal people come from the left, engineers as well, because they assume they have to get this right at the technical level. Right-hand side, accepting and warm. Now, accepting and warm means they see the good in everyone until people prove otherwise. Okay, and so